Lowball offer. If you're planning on selling your home this spring, you need to be prepared to receive a lowball offer. Housing market activity has slowed since interest rates stagnated around 7%, but prices are still high in most markets due to low inventory. This has created a situation where a lot of home buyers have warped expectations of what a good first offer on your home should look like, and you need to know how to respond. I know a lowball offer can be insulting, but you need to think strategically when selling your biggest asset. Today, I'll go over how you should strategically react to a lowball offer to ultimately get the deal you wanted all along. Check the comps one more time. Before you deal with your lowball offer, double check that it's actually as low as you think it is. The housing market changes at a rapid pace, so make sure your home is still worth what you thought it was. You might even be pleasantly surprised. Some experts predict home prices to increase by 5% this spring. Check comparable homes in your areas to see where prices are trending. Also ask your buyer's agents if they reached their price based on their own comps. If you can prove home prices in your area are actually higher than they thought, they might be willing to increase their offer without much negotiation. Remember, the market ultimately decides the value of your home, not your asking price. Almost always counteroffer. So if you checked your comps, your home is still as valuable as you thought, and your buyer isn't moving. What now? In my opinion, it's always worth to at least counteroffer, unless you suspect the buyer isn't acting in good faith. If the buyer rejects your counteroffer immediately and insists on their lowball offer, you can safely walk away knowing they're just probably fishing around for a deal from unprepared sellers. Compromise on other terms. One of the reasons why your buyer may have offered a lowball price up front is because they don't have enough money to offer the full asking price. While many sellers see this as a deal breaker, I highly recommend at least hearing out your buyer. Chances are they'll be willing to give you great terms and other negotiating items to make up for their low price. For example, if you need a longer close, shorter inspection period, or other contingencies waived, you might be willing to budge on price. However, if price is the main sticking point, I recommend offering something like covering the buyer's closing costs or buying down their interest rate to free up cash. Dealing with a lowball offer isn't fun, but it's necessary if you want to get the best deal possible for your home. If you have any questions about our spring market, lowball offers, or something else, please feel free to give me a call. Miguel Garanza with RE/MAX Platinum, the Spotlight Home Team.